If you want to make it super easy for your website visitors to reach you by phone, especially those browsing on their mobile devices, then adding a click-to-call button right on your WordPress menu is a simple but incredibly powerful upgrade. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking Call Now option at the top of your site, helping potential customers or clients connect with you faster. Let's dive right into how to set this up step by step. The first thing you need to do is access your WordPress menu editor. So go ahead and log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel for everything on your website. Once you're in, look for the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Appearance. Under Appearance, click on Menus. A quick tip, sometimes there can be multiple menus set up on a single site, especially if you've used a theme with several navigation areas. Take a moment to make sure you're editing the menu that actually appears where you want the click-to-call button to show up. Usually, this will be called something like Main Menu or Primary Menu. Just double-check you have the correct one selected so your new link appears exactly where your visitors will expect it. Next, you're going to create a custom link. This is the little magic trick that makes the phone number interactive and ready to dial with a single tap. On the left side, you should see a tab labeled Custom Links. Click on that and you'll see a couple of fields appear. One for the URL and one for the link text. In the URL field, this is important, type tel, followed immediately by your phone number. Make sure to use the full international format, starting with a plus sign and your country code. So for example, tel plus 15,551,234,567. Don't include any spaces, dashes, or parentheses. This standard format is what tells browsers and mobile devices, hey, this is a phone number. You can dial it directly. If you use an odd format or forget the country code, some users might get an error or find the link doesn't work. So it's worth double-checking here. For the link text field, add the wording you want people to see in your menu. It could be something clear and action-oriented, like "Call us now," or just your phone number if you want it front and center. Think about what's most inviting and what best fits the style of your site. Once you've filled out both fields, click Add to Menu, and you'll see your new click-to-call link show up in the list of menu items. If you're using menu sections or drop-downs, feel free to drag the new item into the exact spot where you want it. It's very customizable. After that, don't forget to hit Save Menu to finalize your changes. It's a simple step, but easy to overlook if you're juggling lots of edits. Once saved, check your live site if you're on a phone. Tap the new menu link to test that it opens your dialer with the number pre-filled. You're all set. Now, any mobile visitor who wants to reach you can do so instantly, just by tapping that menu item, rather than hunting for your contact page or typing in a number. Thanks for following along with this helpful upgrade for your WordPress site. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit the like button and drop a comment down below if you have any questions or need help troubleshooting. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical web tips. You'll be building a more user-friendly site in no time.